Hello everyone, welcome back to Engineering Drawing through AutoCAD software. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to draw the projections of planes problem in AutoCAD software. Let us see the given problem. A pentagonal plane of side 35 mm has a corner on the HP and the side opposite to this corner is parallel to the HP. The plane is parallel to and 20 mm in front of the VP. Draw its projections. First, we need to identify the given plane. The given plane name is pentagon. This side length is 35 mm. Its corner on the HP. You can see here, draw the pentagon. One of its corner is on the HP and the side opposite to this corner is parallel to HP. You can see this figure. Here E dash is on the HP and this corner opposite side is parallel to horizontal plane. Then this plane is parallel to 20 mm in front of the VP. So we can see the top view that is appear like one horizontal straight line. This is 20 mm in front of the VP. Here the true shape is appear in the front view because this plane is parallel to VP. So that's why we can see the true shape only in the front view and top view it is appear like one horizontal line. Let us see how to draw this solution in AutoCAD software. Now open new drawing sheet and do the important settings. Then draw the horizontal line. That means XY line. Take line command L, enter. Okay, draw the XY line. Here the left end is small x, right end is small y. You can give the notation by using text command T, enter. This left end is small x and right end is small y. Okay, then construct pentagon. One corner is on the HP and that corner opposite side is parallel to HP. So construct first pentagon with the given condition by using polygon command POL, enter. Enter number of sides 5. We know the pentagon side length that is 35 mm, so that's why I am using edge option, E, enter. Specify the first end point. Specify second end point, length is 35, 3, 5, enter. Now you can move this pentagon. The one of its corner is on the HP, so you can move this corner on XY. Then give the notations in the counterclockwise direction by using text command T, enter. This is the front view start point A dash. You can give the notation in the clockwise direction for front view A dash. This is the B dash. Next, this is the C dash. This one is D dash. And this one is E dash. Next, this plane is parallel to and 20 mm in front of the VP. So we can see the in front distance only in the top view. So that is below XY, 20 mm below XY. So from each and every corner point, draw the vertical projectors up to XY by using line command L, enter. From A dash corner point, draw the vertical projector up to XY and extend up to 20 mm because 20 mm in front of the VP. We can see the in front distance only in the top view. That's why extend that line up to 20 mm below XY. Escape. Now repeat same command from B dash, draw the vertical projector up to XY, 20 mm below XY. Then from E dash point, 20 mm below XY. Next from C dash point, 20 mm below XY. Next from D dash, 20 mm below XY. Now join with first point. Now give the notations. When the observer watching from top side, A, B, C, D, these four corners visible. E corner is invisible because this corner point is on XY and away to observer. That's why A, B, C, D corners visible. E corner is invisible. So you can write here, this is the top viewpoint A, and this is the B corner B, then this is the E corner, then this is the C corner, and last one is D corner. Next, apply the dimension for the solution by using linear dimension DLI, enter B dash C dash 35 mm, and also give the dimension for this one, this 20 mm in front of VP. Next, apply the line weight for final solution. Final front view and top view. Go to the properties toolbar, line weight 0.30. This is the final solution for the given problem in AutoCAD software. Okay, I hope this solution is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.